I'm Ethan, and this is a new web show I like to call ELC. This is about me and my life. And, well, my life is pretty interesting, because my dad always says I have a pretty good life, and I'm lucky all the time, because I usually get what I want. So, you want to see how my life is? You're going to see how my life is in my household. 7650309. Now, let's see what happens when I put this on this. Yep, like that, right there. And it makes a parachute guy. Dang. Dead. Now, that's what happens, but I know that wasn't so good. But my life is where, actually, I got those for my allowance. That's why I have a pretty good life. That my dad raised my allowance to $11, since I only have $5 for my allowance. But who cares about allowances? Because I don't need to. These are my pictures. Over here. This is me at Christmas time, right here. These are fake presents, by the way, and this. This is me holding my new baby cousin, Peyton. And these are the same picture, but I'm just in a different position. These up here. Oh, these are with my family. Well, that's Missouri. That is me, Dad, Mom, and Missouri. And me, Ethan Carson. That was at school pictures, I think last year. And, well, I was a science kid, but still, that doesn't matter. My life is pretty cool. My dad is a solar company guy that owns, well, Solar Green Solutions. If you know about Solar Green Solutions, you should buy it. And my mom runs Living Water Company. My cousin is almost in high school. Actually, no, he's almost in college. Yeah. And I'm almost in 2nd grade. So pretty much I only have 2 more months of school until I'm out, and I'm in 2nd grade.